Today's date is Thursday, April 16th, 2026. I'm going to be reviewing the two trades I took today and going over the overall market position. As far as the macro news bias goes, Israel and Lebanon agreed to a 10-day ceasefire. So that's going on. That's the big story. I don't think anything else really. I haven't been too up to date with it. As far as the main S&P 500 index, we are in all-time high territory. So look at this. Look at this. This is perfect. We'll trick all the brokies into thinking that the market is collapsing, and then we'll make a perfect recovery straight into all-time highs. So that happened. Hope you didn't get screwed. Let's go over the trades I took today. I took two trades. The second trade I took PM session was only on one of my funded accounts, so I wasn't too worried about that loss. Even though it did follow my strategy to a T, so I'm not even mad about it. The AM strategy, everybody took shorts off of this 1 hour fair value gap kind of liquidity sweep, especially on the lower time frame. Let's say you trade the 1 minute. Every Everyone took shorts into this liquidity pool. You see this nice sweep at open with this pullback, especially into this fair value gap right here, first presented fair value gap. And then you see the market dump down lower into this 4 hour fair value gap. This isn't the move. I wanted longs today, just the overall market position coming into a 4 hour fair value gap. That's not the move I wanted. If you took that move, good for you. That's not really the move I was going for. I know plenty of people took that move and had a great day today. So this is the move I took, though. Once we were in this 4 hour gap, we swept London lows here. We had London lows on Nasdaq as well. Nasdaq was pushing further. There wasn't exactly an SMT, but Nasdaq was definitely higher. Like when I entered this trade here, look at where Nasdaq already was. So you know that Nasdaq is going to come out, take out these highs really soon, and then there's a bearish SMT on the line. So I took the trade anyways. These were my stops. Once this trade hit this point on Nasdaq, this is some elite ball knowledge here. Once the trade hit this point on Nasdaq, now I moved my stops to break even because there's a bearish SMT. See that? Let's see here. ES actually ended up pumping pretty good, but I ended up moving my stops to break even because there's a bearish SMT here. Anyways, I had first take profit at this high and then second take profit here. This is a almost relative equal high scenario from way back. I'm not even going to pull it up, but 780 is the price point if you want it. And then PM session, obviously we had this pump. We have daily highs right here with these highs right here. Very surprised that both of these didn't get hit. And I was actually confident in this trade, so it's funny how the ones that you're confident about are the losers and the ones you're not confident about are the winners. But just follow your strategy anyways. We see this fair value gap get tapped into, not on NQ actually, on ES. Bang, tap. We see five-minute order flow. This didn't break market structure according to my rules. This 5-minute fair value gap gets tapped. I wait for a 1-minute continuation. That happened here. Man, I got a terrible fill. I hope that wasn't my fill. I got a terrible fill. That happened here, and I entered at the end of this candle. But I mean, I hope I'm not even gonna check, but I hope that wasn't my fill. Not that it matters anyways. Got stopped out. So those are the two trades I took today. One on ES, one on NQ, and that's all for today. I will be trading tomorrow. AM session only. No PM session tomorrow.